Okay, we're going to do a butterfly today, and I have the body color, which is licorice, but I have Look at Me Blue, Cobalt, Neon Pink, Magenta, Happy Green, and some Daffodil Yellow, a little bit of Yellow Ochre. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that, and some Wicker White. Now, I can show you that we can draw on, I've got paint on me already. We can draw with a pencil. And then I realized, you know what? I'm going to put my Monarch stencil on here and just show you that if I line this up, let's see, I want to line it up with what I did before. There we go. All right. All right. So there's a couple ways to do this. You can come in here with your stencil brushes. These are the nylon ones, which are so much better than the dry light brushes. Synthetic nylon is a three-piece set. All right, so you're going to come there and rub it in, and then you're going to come over here to the edge on a paper towel and wipe it off. All right, so what I'm showing you is you can do all these inside pieces if you want, but basically what I'm just doing is the edge so you see it. All right, and then on this side, I was just going to show you that you could just use the pencil instead of paint just to get your shape here, because people were saying they want them all to be the same. There you go. That have the same shape from side to side, which is hard to do. So I use this whole stencil to stencil the whole butterfly. On the Monarch, there's 4 different sizes. One, two, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this butterfly has a couple sizes too, and then a side view. All right. So that's what we do first to get started. And then I'm going to come in here. I'm going to use the floating medium, and then I'm going to side stroke white. All right. So we really want it mostly on the outside edge. All right. So we're going to come all the way up here. All right. And we want it kind of transparent by using the floating medium. All right, so let's come right here. We want white. I want to turn it so I can get to it. Let's get a little bit more white. More paint than you normally think. Or you can just come in here and do a wiggle coming down. And then fill this in. I don't know, like watercolor. Like if you're doing this on a face, though, if you're doing face painting, you're going to fill it in. You wouldn't be using floating medium as much, probably. And I go to Silly Farm and I get the split paints, which has multiple colors on it for you. All right, so see how the stencil is going to help me keep it the same size. All right, more medium, more white. And fill it in. Now we're going to put all the pretty colors in now. All right. Come right across here. Oh, I need medium on that corner. See, it wouldn't do. There you go. See, it does it so smooth when you have enough paint or enough medium. Okay, so it kind of base coated in, right? So the next thing I want to do is we're gonna now use the white and let's pick up some happy green. Okay, so let's get more medium and work the happy green. So I'm using white as the floating medium now. All right, so look what I've done. I'm going to come right here and come around. All right. Now I picked up some more white and there's plenty of floating medium there. Um, just try to match that to the other side. All right, so we're going to come right through here and let's bring a little bit more happy green from here. Happy green. All right. Now I'm going to get some of the blues now. So in the beginning, I want to work this in. All kinds of blues you can use. You can use aquas and different shades of blue. But what I wanted to do, I can bring some of that Look at Me blue in there, but I don't think that really helped much. I want that deeper blue. It'll be pretty. Okay, so because I'm on paper, I am using medium. So we're going to come here. Now you can put some blue in there. That's more what I wanted. And I got carried away, so I can put that green back in there. There we go. There. Right. All right, so I'm going to come back and get some more white with the blue. So I'm going to come right along here. A little bit more. All right. And then it's going to tell you when you do this on skin, it looks so pretty on Hispanic or darker skin. I love how it just, the white pops so pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to come in here with a lot of white. Okay, so I'm going to come right in here and just try to mimic because they're really pretty much, you want to have the same look. Now it's going to turn peach if I take and put the pink right on the yellow. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to use my heat pen right there. All right, so I want it to be a really pretty pink. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to pick up my white again. And we're going to work in some pretty pink color. And use the bright pink and the magenta actually. So I'm going to come right here. All right, so then the white. Pretty. So you want to keep trying to match the two sides. Okay. I think it's just pretty because we put so much of the white, so I can put some little white in here. And I can put some white in here. This is a 6. All right. Let me use a script liner now and show you. All right, we're going to make it inky with the water, not floating medium, but water. Okay, so you can come in here. One thing, we can okay. All right, so I'm going to outline a little bit. See, I outlined here a nice white edge. All right, also out here. Okay. I like putting a little bit of white, extra white in there. Okay, so now let's pick up some licorice. So we're going to come right here and do the head. Okay. And then I'm going to come right down here and wiggle the body. I don't always put this black on if I'm doing a face, if I'm painting a face on, this goes down the nose. And so you would, sometimes I wouldn't want black. Sometimes I might make this trailing too. All right. All right. Then I'm going to touch. Then I don't like to draw these because I like to come in there and freehand them. But since I already drew it, I'm going to go ahead and try to follow it. All right. And so I then come in here, the white, and you can put dragonfly glaze You can put all kinds of fun colors into your butterfly. All right, so you're going to put a white. This is just a pretty pastel one. If you've got girls and you can paint this on a t-shirt. There's all kinds of things you could do with it. All right. So I hope you like that. It's showing you how to use a stencil or draw it on and how to layer the colors. All right. And if you really want this to look more like a more realistic butterfly, where is my smaller brush here? It's not small enough. Let's see if I can find my two. All right, so with the two flap, you could come right in here because they always have a little bit of black. So you can do this. A little bit of licorice. When I said black, this is licorice, right? Okay, and you can come right in here. All right, and sometimes I put a little, whatever you do, make sure that you mimic it on both sides. But you saw it before, so you can stop. All right. So just have fun with it, guys. Go on my Pinterest, the onestroke.com Pinterest. And what you'll see there is hit butterflies, and you will see amazing colored butterflies that you can do. All right. I hope you like this. And so start practicing and share on our YouTube channel. No, on our, I wish you could share there. Share on my Donna Dewberry's official folk Facebook group. Donna Dewberry's official Facebook group. All right. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.